How to download Google Play Store on your PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can download Google Play Store in your device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in BlueStack. Now once you open the link, click on to download. This is the third-party application which you have to download if you would like to download Play Store in your PC. And once you download BlueStack, click on to install now. Then you will see a page something like this once you have successfully installed BlueStack. Here you will see Play Store, click onto it and sign in to your Google Play Store. And once you do so, you can now download any application from your Google Play Store. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will see you up in our next upload.